Just another night in California. Like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos. Yes, my people, I'm now entering Junction Town. So I need to take a good look. I'm now entering to Junction Town. Look at the beauty of Junction Town, my people. Security tight. So we're gonna make a right turn. When I reach the Guts River today, we'll make a right turn. So just take a drive with me on the journey. No say country reopen, so you know it's gonna be a busy day in Junction today. Watch the taxi driver, you know. So this is Junction Town. On your left coming up, you're gonna pass BB Cook High School. So we're now at BB Cook High School. Look at the beauty in Junction. It's a beautiful place and beautiful community also. Yes, my people just are getting some little bit of aggressive driving today, so I'm gonna slow down a little bit. The road can a little bit bad too. So we're in Bullsav right now. We're passing the Bullsav Church of God. Can see speed kill, so you gotta have some caution on the road here. Always remember to wear a seat belt. You know, a lot of farming doing in Junction area. A lot of farming in Junction area. Them plant them scallion and them thyme and them cabbage. Whole heap of farming. As you can know, say Buju do a song about Junction too. They talk about the brown ladies. Buju Bantan do that song there, so you go up on YouTube and look for that song there for the Junction song. Having some nice weather today. It's very sunny. Hopefully tomorrow we can get some rain. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Read. Make a left turn, so we're still at Bullsav Primary School right now. We're going to Alligator upon side, gonna make a left turn. That is a Village Pride hardware. Mostly everything in Junction. Farm store, supermarket, everything you can think about in a Junction. The road condition at in this side is gonna be a little bit bad, so you're just gonna enjoy the bumpy ride. Okay, just enjoy the bumpy ride with me. Sweet, sweet Jamaica. We love the country same way. Also a nice view over there. As you can see. Of corner on this side of the road. We're in both sides same way, so you gotta be careful how you approach them corner here. You know, so them bike guys here in Jamaica, them ride crazy, so now have to be careful with them. Yes, my people from all over the world, England, USA, Jamaica, Switzerland, thank you for watching my channel. Like, share and subscribe to Jamaican Vibes. As you can see up there, you can see the windmill them that is in I'm gonna tell you right now, that is in Manchester, South Manchester. You're gonna find there is Wigton Wind Farm, so it's a nice view. I think up there is in Rose Hill, right? So that's Wigton Wind Farm in Manchester. That's not the one in Monroe, that is Wigton Wind Farm. Hills and Valley. As you can see, them planting some cucumber in this area, a lot of goats and stuff. The road condition is so hot right in this side right now, so you're gonna be very careful on this road. Bumpy ride. I reach a Guts River today, so you can look out for the video too for Guts River soon. Look at the mountains. Yeah, if you blow around the corner here too, you're approaching corner of other vehicle come with speed. So now going to use up on the hand. The people use up on the hand when come to Jamaica. Use up on the hand for me. Please and thanks. I don't think you're going to have much house in this side at the moment. I think it's built up too much. There's a few houses in this area. all this road also take you to local Oche as well. You know them fish place there? You want to the steam fish and okra and everything. You can find it. And a lobster too. Beauty, my people, sweet Jamaica.